Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's math class. Looking at this nice integral question, how do we evaluate this? Now, we are going to be using substitution method, so note that. So, let e raised to the power of s plus 1 to be equals to any alphabet in your mind, so I choose u. Now, let's take the derivative of both sides. Don't forget the derivative of e raised to the power of x is e raised to the power of s, while the derivative of u, we have du, right? Don't forget our sign here, dx. Now, I want us to make ds the subject. So we have dx is equals to du divided by e raised to the power of x. Now, also from this, let's make e raised to the power of s the subject. So we have e raised to the power of s is equals to u minus 1. So now we can now make the substitution here by saying dx is equals to du over e raised to the power of s, which is u minus 1. Now we'll now move back to the original question. So we have the integral of 1 over, don't forget e raised to the power of s plus 1, we said let it to be equals to u, while the x is equals to du over u minus 1, right? So this is equals to the integral of 1 over u multiplied by u minus 1 du, right? Now I want us to use partial fraction. It looks like that is very easy to understand. So when you use partial fraction, we can write this as 1 is equals to a over u plus b over u minus 1. Now when you cross multiply, we have 1 over a multiplied by u minus 1 plus b multiplied by u, right? So when u is equals to 1, so when u is equals to 1, when you make a substitution here, you are going to have 1 minus 1, which is 0, right? So a multiplied by 0, this is automatically 0. Therefore, we will be able to look for our value for b, which is going to be 1 is equals to b multiplied by 1. So we have the value of b to be equals to 1, right? So now let's solve for a also. So how do we eliminate this? You can just say that let u be equals to 0, right? So b multiplied by 0 is 0. And here we are going to have minus 1 is equals to a into by 0 minus 1, right? So we have 1 is equals to minus a. Therefore, a is equals to negative 1, right? Now let's move back to the question. We have the integral of 1 over u multiplied by u minus 1 is equals to, now here we have minus 1 over, into bracket, right, over u plus 1, which is b, over u minus 1. So now we should separate the term. We have the integral of negative 1 over u plus the integral of 1 over u minus 1, right? So don't forget, any form of this, finding an integral of this form, this is going to give us minus the natural log of u, and here we are going to have plus the natural log of u minus 1, right? Now let's now make the substitution of u back. So we said u is equals to e raised, we said u is equals to e raised to the power of s plus 1, right? So now make the substitution. We have negative the natural log of u, which is e raised to the power of s plus 1, plus here the natural log of, and we said u raised to the power, don't forget u minus 1 is going to give us e raised to the power of x. So here we are going to have e raised to the power of x. So now don't forget, natural log we cancel out the e, so we have x here minus the natural log of e raised to the power of s plus 1. Guys, this is our final answer. Don't forget the constant, which is c, right? The constant, which is c, is very important. Sorry for my bad. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.